everybody, and welcome to the drawing for week 3 for the Beautiful Blues collaboration. This drawing is for the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and I'm not sure which order you guys are listening to these in, so I'm just going to go ahead and repeat a little bit of what I said in the Sweet Pea Papers drawing, which is that Mandy had surgery on her hand, and so she can't use it for the next 2 to 3 weeks. So her family and her admins and such are stepping in to help her with the drawings. So the postings of the winners and the replies to your submissions when you win of your picks for your junk journals may be a little slow getting back to you, so don't worry about it. You haven't done anything wrong or missed your submission window or anything like that. It just may take a little bit longer to get back to you. Okay, so this week we had a really good turnout. I did turn off the noise on my mouse this time. So we had 76 entries. So I started with 76 over here, and I'm going to go back to the top just because it's easier with number 1. So we're going to have a drawing for 3 different junk journals, so there's going to be 3 different winners, and we're going to go ahead and start that now. Winner number 1 is going to be number 8, which is Rolanda. She won in Sweet Pea Papers as well. Congratulations. That's what happens when you put in a bunch of projects. Winner number 2 is number 59, which is Melissa Sears. Okay, congratulations, Melissa. She also put in a block of submissions, and also if you happen to have purchased the kit, which is obviously not necessary to enter the drawings, then you do get 2 entries per submission, per post that you've used with the kit. So just a side note, you just get a little extra bump for that. Number 3 is going to be number 51, which is Katie. Kind of thought she would win. She has quite a few submissions as well. So to recap, winner number 1 is Rolanda, winner number 2 is Melissa, and winner number 3 is Katie. So congratulations, everyone. Be sure to check the Sweet Pea Papers video and the one I'm going to do next, which is the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts video, and see if you've won in multiple drawings. You can win in more than one drawing, but you can't win more than once in any drawing. Okay? Alright, I'll see you in the next video, which is the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts drawing. Bye!